have a haul for you guys. I haven't done a haul in forever because I'm on a low buy and I haven't really been drawn to much. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is something that I bought a little while back, but I just wanted to show you guys. I got the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Lure when it was on sale. It is my jam. Look at how gorgeous all these purples are. There's just so many colors in here that really draw me. And also these like shimmery metallics are very similar to kind of like that Glam Light formula. So I really just fell in love with this palette and wanted it. And it's mermaid theme. It's just so pretty, right? Also, if you guys want some reviews on these, let me know if you guys would prefer like 1-minute reviews or short like 3-minute reviews. I'm not sure if I should even continue doing reviews, just because I feel like if it isn't the hottest, newest thing and you don't do it within the first day or two that it comes out, people don't want to watch your video. And that's just kind of like the market that has become beauty. So I don't know. Let me know what your thoughts are. Next up, I want to say thank you to my friend Jose. He sent me this for my birthday. My birthday is now in October. I absolutely was so excited. This is the Blend Bunny's Bare Cheeks. I actually tried it today and it's nice. I have to keep playing around with it. It was a little hard to blend out. I think I applied way too much, so you want to build this up little by little, but these are a lot of fun colors. I don't know if I would have picked this out myself just because it's on the dark side, so it was a lot of fun for him to send it to me, and I'm super grateful. Next up is from Colourpop. I got a few things from just random collections. First off, they came out with a second Sailor Moon collection and I just knew that I needed this. Look how cute the packaging is. It has all the girls on there and then it has them on the inner cover as well. Colourpop is so good when they do a lot of the themed products. Not all of them, but most of them are really, really cute. So I just had to get this one. Some of these have like a very chunky glitter, especially this one right here, Starlight and Twinkles. These two are very, very chunky, so you want to use either a synthetic brush or your finger to apply. I used Starlight today on the inner corner, and you can definitely tell that it's more of that like chunkier kind of flaky kind of formula. The rest of these are really, really smooth. I really enjoy Colourpop, and this one is more of a cool tone. The original palette was more fun and warm tone and had like more brighter colors, so I thought that this was super cute, so I went ahead and picked this up. I also picked up a blush from the first collection. I had missed out on the blushes, and it comes with like a little holographic, which is so cute. And then I got the coral shade that actually has the little kitten on there embossed. Just super, super cute. I love when Colourpop does a theme because I feel like they're really, really good at doing themes. So I went ahead and picked this up. The lip products, I have 2 that my friend got me from the first collection and I really like those, but I didn't feel like I really needed the other ones. Maybe if they go on sale, I would get them. And then also another thing that I got was the Winnie the Pooh palette. It's called Sweet as Can Be. I really wanted this, and because I got 25% off this order, I went ahead and just added this to my cart because I'm a Disney fan and I love when they do these palettes with Disney. They're just so cute. They're like in little honeycomb shapes. I love the color story. It's just a very neutral. It's got like some greens in there. Just a really cute palette. I basically wanted it because of the packaging and that it's Disney themed. Next, I have something that I bought from Sephora. I made the smallest, tiniest order for my birthday. And this is the Hourglass Mini in Dim Light. I absolutely love this for all over the face. It's just a great powder just to dust all over the face, especially for photo shoots and such. So I wanted to repurchase, but I didn't want like the huge full size, and then I didn't want the trio that it comes in, just because I feel like I can't use up that trio. But this is absolutely beautiful. I love this. I take this on vacation every time I go, just because this gives like a beautiful ethereal glow to the face. This one is super, super tiny, but I like the fact that because it's by itself and not in the trio, I can just dip my brush in there And then when you apply this to your face, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell, but it gives like a glow to the skin. Hopefully you guys can see that on my forehead. But I love this powder for like kind of like a finishing powder to dust all over. And it just gives like a glow to the skin. I highly recommend this for pictures. It just does something to the skin that I feel like is absolutely beautiful. So love this. And that one's called like the peachy, oh god, what's wrong with my, so that one's the peachy undertone. They do have various different undertones, so definitely read which one would more, you know, be better for your skin tone. But this one's really good for probably like light to light medium skin tones, the dim light for all over the face. Along with that, I got a tiny little lip souffle. I didn't expect it to be this tiny from Rare Beauty. This is just like a free little freebie. Look at how tiny this is. I can't with how tiny it is, but I'm not fully mad at it. I do like this formula, so I went ahead and just added that to my cart for free. And then I needed a replacement of my waterproof remover, and this is the Sephora waterproof eye makeup remover. This is what I use when I use like regular mascara and I get like that black underneath when you come out of the shower. So I go and shake this up and use it, and I really like it. It's very gentle around the eyes. It kind of leaves like a little bit of an oily film, so it kind of leaves your eye very moisturized, and I really enjoy this one, so I repurchased it again. Next thing that I got is something from Amazon. This is called the Ura Moisturizer Eye Cream. I got this because of a YouTuber. Her name is Melissa. She's in her 50s, and she talked about how hydrating this is for underneath the eyes, so I really want to test it out. Let me know if you guys want a review, but I will you know, check it out and see if I really enjoy it. I tried it out today and I really feel like it helped moisturize underneath that eye area. I really just need a lot of moisture underneath there. I just feel like with my age, my under eyes have just become so dry. Next, I'm gonna jump into the PR. So all of this was sent for review purpose. First up, we have the Mirage by Alter Ego. I've been using this. I've used it probably like 4 different times now. I really like the looks that I've gotten from it, and I will have a full video and review up for you guys with swatches. But this is basically a dupe palette for the Huda Beauty Empowered palette, and it is a really nice dupe. You will see in my review that there are a few eyeshadows that aren't exact dupes, and also some of them don't perform as well as the Huda Beauty, but overall I do feel like it is a really great alternative if you're looking for a cheaper one. Next up, we have Benefit Cosmetics. They sent me a little package like this. It comes with 2 of their cleansers. This is the Get Unblocked, which is the cleansing oil, and the oil is really nice. I do have makeup balms that I like a little bit more of how they remove makeup, but this is really nice, gentle. It's a nice little oil to take off your makeup. It has grapeseed, jojoba oil, and avocado oils, and it melts away your makeup. I do enjoy it. I do feel like that you need quite a bit of the oil and apply it to your dry skin to take off the makeup. It came with like a little cute little bag in here. That's a cute little travel bag. And then we have the Good Cleanup, which is a pore purifying foaming cleanser. I don't know why they say foaming, because it comes out like a gel, like a gel, and then you kind of lather it up in your hands. I really enjoy these. I'll try to do a reel using these so you guys can see it, but these are really nice. They do work really great, and I feel like this skincare line is really nice as well. Let me know if you guys have tried it and what your thoughts are. I think that they did a really nice job overall, and I did do a full review, so hopefully I'll try to link that video if you're interested in their skincare products. Next, I have 2 boxes from Pop Beauty. One of them is a makeup box. I actually already own this palette and really love it. It's the warm tone palette called Fire. I want to say it's called Fire Lit. Let me see. It's called Fire Fit. So these are very warm tone, very beautiful palettes, and they do have glitters in them. This second one is called Slay, which I don't own, so I will try to do a look using this one. Let me know if you guys want reviews, swatches, any of that. And I really love their makeup mist. This is called the Makeup Magnet Mist, and this just kind of really helps your makeup stay in place. It takes away that powdery look. I love a good makeup spray. I use them like crazy. Next, they also sent me a skincare box, and this has their pucker up patches for your lips. It has the probiotic mask that I really love. And this one I haven't tried. This is their sleep mask, so I will try that out and let you guys know what I think. But these, I've tried like the probiotic mask and I really like the way it leaves my skin. The makeup mist, their eyeshadows are really nice as well. Now I have the last box. This is by Pixi Beauty, and they sent me their 5 essentials in 5 minutes. Let me know if you guys want like a little video of like makeup, like really quick makeup using all these products. I tested this out today and so far I like it. I don't absolutely love it. I wish it was a little bit creamier, but we shall see. I'm gonna try to warm it up with my fingers next time instead of trying to apply it directly to my face. But this is their CC crayon, their lash booster, their sheer cheek gel, lip mask, and brow tamer. So I can do a little video using all of these products and show them in action. So I'll try to do that soon as well. So look out for that little reel. And let me know if there's any of these products that you want like dedicated reviews on. Also, I'd love to know if you prefer like 1-minute videos. I know like everybody's on the go now, like shorter than 5 minutes. I really want to try to get my videos shorter than 5 minutes. I just feel like people's attention span has just like left the building. Let me know if you guys like prefer long or short content. I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys if you made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much, and leave me like a little yellow heart if you made it all the way to the end. Thank you guys for watching, for subscribing. My socials are down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.